friends. Today, we are going to learn about keyboards and how we use them to talk to computers. Keyboards are super important. They help us tell the computer what to do. Did you know keyboards have been around for a long time? They started big and clunky, but now they are sleek and cool. Let's look at the keyboard. See these letters? They are just like the alphabet we learn at school. And look here. Numbers from 0 to 9, like in our math class. Now, let's discover some special keys. First, the caps lock key. When you press it, all your letters become big letters. Next is the enter key. It's like saying, "Okay, I'm done," to the computer. Then, we have the arrow keys. They let us move up, down, left, and right in our writing. The backspace key is eraser for the computer. It deletes things we don't want. And the big, long space bar at the bottom? It makes spaces between our words, so they're not all squished together. Now, let's learn how to type. We start with our fingers on the home row. That's where our fingers live when they're not typing. Use all your fingers to type. It might seem tricky, but with practice, you'll be super fast. Let's practice with easy words like cat or dog. Type them on your keyboard. Remember, try to look at the screen, not your fingers. It's a great way to learn. That's it. Keyboards are fun and useful. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a typing star.